Today, we dive into a captivating journey, the search for alien life. The fundamental question of whether we're alone in the universe has both puzzled and excited humanity for centuries. As we've made incredible advancements in technology and astronomy, the scope of our inquiries has evolved dramatically. Imagine living in a sci-fi movie, don't you think?
Yeah, totally. It's like mind-blowing, right? What if aliens are, like, watching us right now? Do they have popcorn and a huge screen TV tuned into Earth? Haha!
Exactly. This curiosity really accelerated during the Copernican revolution when people began to realize we're not the center of the universe. It's quite humbling. Like realizing you're not the star player on your high school basketball team, but part of a much bigger game.
Wait. So, what did people think before that revolution? They were convinced they were the center of everything? That must have led to some weird philosophies, right?
Absolutely. Ancient civilizations viewed celestial phenomena as signs from the gods, interpreting stars and planets as influencing their lives. Then Copernicus came along, flipping that idea upside down with a heliocentric model, challenging centuries of belief. Imagine the uproar, like telling someone their favorite band is actually just a cover band.
Haha. They'd probably be like, wait, am I living a lie? So where did that lead us? I remember you mentioning the birth of astrobiology.
Exactly. NASA's Viking missions were among the first serious searches for life on Mars. And the famous Drake equation attempted to estimate how many active extraterrestrial civilizations might exist. It's kind of like trying to figure out how many taco trucks might show up at a food festival. There are just so many variables.
That's a crazy analogy. So, like, were those missions successful? Did they find anything concrete?
Well, not definitive evidence, but there were exciting indicators. For example, the wow signal was an unexplained radio burst. It was like getting a mysterious message on your phone that says, "Urgent, call me," yet you get no number, just silence. Scientists were left scratching their heads.
Oh, wow, that sounds so frustrating. What do? Just wait for the caller to call again? Haha. So how did we start discovering actual exoplanets?
Great question. Methods like radial velocity and transit photometry opened doors to a universe of discoveries, pun intended. It's similar to using high-tech night vision goggles while camping. Suddenly, everything dark reveals potential.
Wow, that's a cool image. So, how do we know which exoplanets are actually habitable?
A big part of it lies in identifying the Goldilocks zone, where conditions are just right for liquid water to exist, which is crucial for life as we know it. It's like finding the perfect bowl of porridge that isn't too hot or too cold. We also look for atmospheric biosignatures, essentially clues suggesting that life could be present.
Right, that makes sense. So, like, what are some specific exoplanets that have sparked interest?
A prime example is Proxima Centauri b, which orbits our closest star. Then there's the TRAPPIST-1 system, which has multiple Earth-sized planets that have ignited excitement about the possibility of life. It's like stumbling across a dusty treasure map, calling you to adventure.
Amazing! But, are there challenges to studying these exoplanets? Like, do we ever bump into false alarms?
Yes, indeed. False positives can be tricky, as distinguishing genuine biosignatures from abiotic signals is quite the challenge. It's like thinking you hear your dog scratching at the door, only to realize it's just the wind, or worse, the cat plotting an escape.
Haha, I can just picture that. So what exactly are we looking for when it comes to biosignatures?
Well, biosignatures can include chemical imbalances in atmospheres, surface vegetation, or even what we call technomarkers signals indicating advanced civilizations. Think of these markers as breadcrumbs, leading us toward a deeper truth about life beyond Earth.
Wow, we're basically detectives in a cosmic crime thriller. Are there any real case studies that illustrate these biosignatures?
Definitely. Mars has raised eyebrows with its mysterious fluctuations in methane, and oddly enough, Venus has shown hints of phosphine. Then we have ocean worlds like Europa and Enceladus, which could hold vital clues to potential life. It's like opening a mailbox, only to find it packed with letters from long-lost friends. Exciting, yet confusing.
Oh man, this is so exciting yet mind-boggling. So what role do next-gen telescopes play in all this?
Telescopes like the James Webb Space Telescope, or JWST, are expected to transform our search for signs of life by analyzing exoplanet atmospheres. They act like high-tech magnifying glasses, allowing us to peer into the unknown.
Ooh. Okay, but what about intelligent civilizations? I've heard the term technosignatures floating around. What are those?
Great catch! Technosignatures may unravel the mystery of advanced extraterrestrial civilizations. We focus on detecting radio signals, potential laser communications, or even gigantic structures built by aliens, known as megastructures. It's akin to us picking up signals from a distant party, like catching the bass drop from a party down the street and wondering what's happening.
Whoa! So are we super close to figuring all this out? Or would you say we're still in the dark?
The search continues. While we're making strides, challenges remain. We encounter the Fermi paradox, which questions why, given the high probability of alien life, we haven't observed any. It's like throwing a 24-hour rave and wondering why only 3 people show up.
That's perplexing. I wonder if aliens are just shy. Are there criticisms of how we approach this search?
Definitely. Some argue that our assumptions about alien technology can be flawed, particularly regarding sustainability. It's vital to look beyond our biases and keep an open mind as we refine our search methods. Just because we haven't found them yet doesn't mean they're not out there.
That's so true. I love how this topic is not just scientifically relevant, but also deeply philosophical. It's like diving into a pit of cosmic existentialism.
Exactly. It's all part of exploring our place in the universe. One fascinating subfield involves studying extremophiles, organisms that thrive in extreme conditions, potentially reshaping our understanding of what life truly is.
Oh, so how does studying extremophiles impact our search for alien life then?
Extremophiles have shattered our definitions of life. They thrive in conditions we thought were impossible, like existing near hydrothermal vents or in acidic lakes. Every journey into these extreme realms broadens our perceptions and challenges our understanding of what normal life looks like.
Wow, that's super cool. I had no idea life could be so flexible. What about the ethical considerations around this search?
Great point. The anthropic principle, for instance, opens up debates on whether the universe is designed for life. Plus, broadcasting our location has implications. Imagine sending a message in a bottle only to realize someone's lurking at the other end.
Yikes. So, that means we have a balancing act to do between curiosity and caution?
Exactly. The societal impact of discovering alien life could shift our collective perspectives. We may need to reevaluate our priorities and our very place in the universe. It's a philosophical conundrum.
That's mind-bending. So what are the next steps in the search for extraterrestrial life?
Looking ahead, there are exciting missions and technologies on the horizon. Proposed telescopes and innovative initiatives are set to broaden our scope. Plus, with machine learning and AI at our side, we'll analyze the massive amounts of data we've been gathering. Think of it like enlisting a team of super smart interns to comb through files.
Haha, love that. So we've got tech and curiosity working together. Are there any wild case studies we should keep an eye on?
Absolutely. The WOW signal remains a tantalizing mystery for researchers. And Oumuamua, the enigmatic interstellar object, continues to fuel debates about its origins, natural or artificial. Moreover, our recent findings on fast radio bursts, FRBs, are being scrutinized for localized repeating signals. It's like being on a cosmic treasure hunt.
That's wild. We're basically looking for cosmic clues hidden in plain sight. It feels exhilarating yet daunting all at once.
That's the beauty of searching for alien life. It encapsulates our deepest existential questions, and as technology advances, we inch closer to answering that age-old query. Are we alone in the cosmos?
I can't wait to see what we discover next.